How to do bicycle crunches. Quick and easy steps. Your support fuels my passion for creating valuable health and fitness content. Hit that like button and subscribe to keep the motivation going and unlock more inspiring videos just like this one. Bicycle crunches are a dynamic exercise that targets multiple muscle groups, especially the abdominals. Follow these quick and easy steps to perform them effectively. Starting position. Lie flat on your back with your hands lightly touching behind your head, elbows out to the sides. Lift your legs off the ground, bending your knees to a 90-degree angle. Execution. Engage your core muscles and lift your head, shoulder blades, and upper back off the floor. Simultaneously, twist your torso to bring your right elbow towards your left knee, straightening your right leg, looking to take your home workouts to the next level. I've got you covered with some amazing gear. Check the description below for links to my top recommendations, including the best HIIT workout mat, a comprehensive home workout guide, essential home gym workout equipment, effective push-up equipment, and a reliable body fat measurement device. These products have made a huge difference in my fitness journey, and I'm sure they'll help you too. Click the links in the description and start transforming your workouts today. Let's continue to main topic. Alternate sides. While lowering your right leg back down, twist to bring your left elbow towards your right knee, straightening your left leg. Continue alternating sides in a controlled, rhythmic motion. Breathing. Exhale as you crunch and twist. Inhale as you return to the starting position. Maintain steady breathing throughout the exercise. Form tips. Avoid pulling on your neck with your hands. Keep your lower back pressed into the floor to protect your spine and maximize the effectiveness of the movement. Incorporate bicycle crunches into your workout routine to strengthen your core and improve overall stability. Start with 10 to 15 repetitions per side, gradually increasing as you build strength. Consistency and proper form, key to getting the most out of this exercise.